Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I am way deep down inside the rabbit hole of American Girls. I go through different dolls, and I have favorites that I work with, and what happens is I get one out or I buy a new one, and then, it's one idea after another, and then, oh, these are not my good scissors.
Nope, they're out in the
then,
studio.
yeah, they're in the studio. I get ideas and I start thinking about collabs and outfits, and so I stay in the rabbit hole a while, and then I get up on eBay and I find another one, and pretty soon I'm doing more and more with. So no big deal. I will come around to other dolls soon. I just am in an American Girl rabbit hole. I think what happened with this one is that she was, I need to quit looking on eBay is the real thing. Because I've got one now that I'm looking at thinking, God, if I can get that far. If it says make offer, I do. She came with her little panties, and look how cute she is. I could not leave her. I think, look at this hair. I think I got her, it was right around the $25 amount. She's loose in the legs. I knew that. She has something on this one leg. I knew that. It's not a problem. These dolls clean up. Well, she's loose.
Yeah.
Somebody really did something to her. I don't know what, but she's had a lot of fun. Preloved. Beautiful, beautiful doll. It's odd when they're this loose and their hair looks that good.
Yeah.
Very odd. I wonder if somebody used her for stop motion. Check her eyes. No, they look pretty good. You can tell a lot of times when someone has used a doll for stop motion because they take their lashes and they tuck them up under to make them blink and make them wink or shut their eyes while they're standing or roll their eyes kind of. And then their arms and legs, have been moved so much. And that's stop motion. I got to tell you, that is something I could never do. Joni at Joni's Doll Photography is one of the best. They move them like this much and take another picture. I don't have patience for that. But it's really cool when it's finished. But it is, you do wear out parts of your American Girl dolls. The other dolls, I don't know. But it is, a lot of motion, a lot of hold. But that's what I'm going to think because the hair is so nice. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.